Let me show you how you can make hundreds of pips trading Forex using this magic IB system. These are my live trades taking this week ending April the 20th, today, the Friday. Okay, and the week started on the 16th of April, and 16th was very slow day, right? So no trade, no setup, no trade. 17th, lot of setups and a lot of trades. So let's get started. This is the first one is pound CAD. You can see here. This was a setup and the level, big level here, weekly level, which I teach in my webinars how to get those levels and watch them for the setup. So first entry, and then a little pullback, another entry when the blue candle turns into red. There's another entry, and the third, there was a third entry too, but two entries were enough. I was in here and then here and all the way down. First entry 95 pips, second entry 65 pips. Just one pair, one trade, one day. Again, more on the 17th I had 4 or 5 trades. So let's go. The second trade on the 17th is off of 7-minute chart. Here's the entry all the way down. This is my trade here. This is the entry as I'll move to here, right? And then I don't even know how many pips. I didn't wrote it down here. Third trade on the 17th is Euro Yen, 7-minute, right? Beautiful entry after, I missed this one, but then it came down. This system gives you so many precise entries. Look at this one, look at this one, look at this one, look, and indicator all the way up, blue candle turns into red, and you have an entry. Simple. No spikes, no up and down, no, it's a lot of different small, big candles, bullish, bearish, different candles. So entry here, SL here, all right? The next trade, you can pound yen from 7-minute chart. Again, it was a nice drop. Retrace entry. There was a beautiful entry. This one was a very good entry too. This was also a very good entry, but this is the only one. That's enough. One entry, SL move down all the way to the downs. This is all on the 17th, one day. Euro CAD, just like pound CAD, because actually pound CAD was getting strong, right? I watch individual index and I teach you how to get them and how to watch them and their setups and everything. I'll show you at the end of this video. CAD index chart. So Euro CAD entry right here, first entry, second entry, there was a third entry, fourth entry and all that, so on and so forth. But I had only 2 entries, one here and one here, this one, right? And all the way down. First entry 90 pips, second entry 50 pips. Just count the amount of pippage, and these are the trades right there. Open my orders here. I'm not just showing the setups, I'm showing the trades, the setup and the entry made. So this one, Euro USD, again on the 17th, short setup, right here, just big level, 2401. So if it hits and start dropping, that's it. Okay, and after that, on the 17th, again, Euro USD dropping, and after that, wobbling around and hitting the level. This is a big level, big support. So after that, it started wobbling, and going to the upside. Euro was getting strong. So after the news, so I just went up, bought this one here, but it didn't go much higher. So now, that's on the 17th. There was another one on the 18th. I don't know where it went. There was Euro USD basically. This was on the 18th actually. Okay, it came down, but you see this is this one and this one. Okay, and no, actually this is the one on the 18th. Yeah, this is on the 18th, and then on 19th I had this Euro Yen, and same way Euro USD. You see this? It is because the Euro was getting weaker, and all Euro pair went down. So I just took these two on the 19th. And then the 20, you don't have many trades, only one, Aussie CAD. This is the pair that I traded first time in my life, maybe, in at least last 5 years. Because of the fact that I was showing Aussie index and CAD index. I was doing the analysis and showing to my subscribers, and I realized that Aussie was supposed to get strong, and then CAD supposed to get weaker. Sorry, Aussie supposed to get weaker, and CAD supposed to get strong. And then I saw that, and I immediately told my subscriber to go and see that that pair has moved a lot, and it did. Right? So I said, okay, this is a good one. So what I'm gonna do is the next time I'll see if I get the right setup, then I'll trade. So I made this setup here. The Aussie was getting strong, right? And then CAD was getting weaker, and it went up. But then it got to this point, and look, show me. Let me show you the CAD. See, I was supposed to the CAD index supposed to drop. So CAD will be getting weaker, and Aussie will be getting strong. Then Aussie CAD will go up. But then once they finish their respective thing, it went up, see, all the way here, right? And after that, it's supposed to drop because there was a big level here, 48, 84, and it start dropping. And CAD, after getting to this area, it start go up, right? So then Aussie CAD supposed to reverse, and that's why I had that trade. It is reverses and start dropping, and I had this trade, Aussie CAD, because of that reversing in the Aussie indexes, Aussie and CAD index. So you see, if you pay attention to the indexes, you get some real good trade. This is just a 7-minute entry, 7-minute chart entry all the way down. This was a beautiful entry here. If you miss that one, then you have this one. If you miss this one, you have this one. So this system gives you a lot of entries. Okay, so this is how we trade, and so many trades, so many entries, and I wasn't fully trading myself like full time because I had some other issues to take care, and I wasn't available full time. Otherwise, there are too many, like pound USD. I totally missed that. I didn't trade that pair at all. Pound Aussie, my favorite pair, I didn't trade that at all this week. But it's still, whatever I have, it's in front of you. So this is the system at its best. If you learn, the matter is that you just subscribe and then you start learning. That's it. If once you learn, spend a little time, learn, and then you master this. And guys, listen, even if you make one entry and make 50 pips and increase the large size, you've done for your life. Okay, and you have solid entries coming. Like, for example, if I show you here, what I have here is this is the Aussie index after it went up there and then hit 49.84 and then dropped. But for example, solid entries like a 20-minute chart, right? Instead of that, this is index, but look, when something, this is by the way, yen index, right? But if something starts trending, this is how it gives you entries. This is the entry, this is the entry, right? This is the entry. So keep getting the entry and then keep going down. And how many trades you can get? This is from start dropping from the February like 6th, and this is all the way down to February 28th. So many days, all you have to do is go short every day and get your 50 to 100 pip, bye-bye, Mr. Market, and you're done with it. You don't even have to, make 300 or 400 pip. That's what I'm talking about. Only make 50 pip a day or 40 pip a day, and then increase your lot size, to 1 standard, 2 standard, 3 standard. Mastering the system is easy. Just have to spend some time and effort, that's all. Okay? So this is it for now. Let me show you how you can do it and how you can get it. This is my website here. You just go on, www.myforexmagicweb.com. This is where you're going to land, and this is you just use the subscribe button, your PayPal, credit card, whatever. Just, subscribe today. Today is Friday night. You have Saturday, Sunday. You get the system. You get, set up the charts. There's a little bit of work to do. You just do that and set up your charts, and you will be trading like that. Look at my before and after chart. This is the chart these are the charts that I can give you. You see earlier I showed you pound CAD big trade to the downside. This is the chart that we're using. You see how beautiful that, and I made this harmonic pattern here, and then it's gonna drop all the way down here for hundreds of pips. This is what it did. Okay, these are the trade last week. See, so beautiful trades, beautiful system. And like I said, go on my website, subscribe, and this is my YouTube channel, by the way. More than 1,000 videos there to teach, to learn from. All these are, webinar recording when I do the webinar. If you cannot attend, I always forward the webinar recording, and they are also uploaded on my website. right here on this page, webinar, previous webinar recording. So you missed the webinar where I give you the setups for the next couple of days, then you can always come back here and watch the webinar and see what are the pairs that are setting up and which what you need to be doing, going long on what pairs and going short on what pairs and all that, right? So you have, it is password protected, so you have to put the password here. And let me just quickly show you. By putting the password, you go in and you have hundreds of webinar recordings there, hundreds of them. You cannot, you will get tired of watching them. This is, this is all these webinar recordings. You see how many? This is, keep going, keep going. All of these. So I've been doing for this for a long time, and all the recordings are on this page. You can come back, and the last webinar was April the 8th. I think I have missed uploading a couple of them here. Okay. Probably, quite a few I have so far missed, right? See, this is April 8th, then it's a webinar recording 1, webinar recording 2, and webinar 3 webinars are not there, so I'm going to put them there for the new people. Yeah. All right, so this is how it is. Like I said, go on my website. You can use the subscribe button and subscribe, and over the weekend set up your charts, and Monday be ready. And if you have any problem, you can always talk to me on the Skype. Email is always welcome. You can ask questions on email, and then as soon as I get a chance, I reply. All right. So this is it for now, and hope to see you in my next webinar. Bye for now, and have a wonderful weekend.